Hey there, my name is Vince Palco and I'm super excited you stopped by this little video. If you're in the market for whiteboard animation, whiteboard videos, you definitely want to tune into what our AdToons videos are all about, our AdToons whiteboards, whiteboard animation, whatever you might call it. I'm going to give you the top 4 benefits to why you would want that in your promotional material. And here's the first one. It's like putting a salesman on every high traffic street corner of the internet, 24/7, 365, saying, "Over here, look over here." Second reason, you shout from the mountaintops how awesome your business is without you having to say a word. Third benefit, you deliver a clear, consistent, engaging message every time, like having your best salesman or woman slide across the proposal and having your customers say, "Let's do it." Now, why pictures? Why not just words? Well, pictures help your mind process information faster. If you've ever been given directions by someone, that alone can be quite confusing. Take a left at the second pine, or having a map to understand and assess kind of what the plan is, okay? And then the last benefit is these videos don't show up late, they don't call in sick, they don't have issues with their significant other that distracts them during the day. So, if you're in the market for a whiteboard animation video or any kind of color animation, we've got some subtle kind of stealth things around color animation. You definitely want to sign up on this forum and let's have a conversation and get to know you and your business better, and look forward to meeting you on the call. Vince Palco from AdToons.com. Thanks so much.